Did you know that one of the most common foods in your kitchen can be hazardous to your health? That's right, we're talking about onions. This apparently harmless ingredient, which is part of so many traditional recipes, hides secrets that most people have no idea about. And believe us, the impact of improper use of this food goes far beyond the taste of your dishes. Nowadays, with the hustle and bustle of everyday life, it's easy to opt for quick, practical, and convenient meals. These options, however, are often full of preservatives, artificial ingredients, excess fat, and empty calories. What few realize is that even the fresh ingredients we use to give these meals a homemade touch, such as onions, can become problematic if not handled and consumed correctly. Think of how easy it is to open a package and prepare something in just a few minutes. But what's behind this convenience? The abuse of processed foods and artificial seasonings, which often overload the body with sodium, hidden sugars, and chemicals that can damage the functioning of vital organs such as the liver and kidneys. Add to this the lack of knowledge about the impact of apparently healthy ingredients, and you have a combination that can be dangerous for your health. That's why it's essential to understand the true nature of the foods we eat every day. Onions, in particular, are a powerful and multifaceted food. Rich in compounds that benefit the immune system and metabolism, it also requires special attention in its preparation and storage. Often, seemingly harmless habits, such as reusing a cut onion or leaving it exposed to the environment for too long, can compromise its quality and even make it harmful. So, before you underestimate this ingredient, remember, the way you consume onions can be decisive in turning a food full of benefits into a potential villain for your health. This is just the beginning of the journey that will reveal the secrets that few people know about this food. Get ready to rediscover the onion and understand why it deserves special attention in your daily diet. The onion we mentioned at the beginning is a real nutritional treasure and can transform your health in ways you may never have imagined. Although it is a common ingredient, it carries extraordinary properties that can make a big difference to your quality of life, provided it is consumed in the right way. Firstly, onions are a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. Rich in compounds such as quercetin, it helps fight inflammatory processes in the body that are associated with various chronic diseases, including cardiovascular problems, arthritis, and even certain types of cancer. In addition, these compounds act as antioxidants, protecting the body's cells from damage caused by free radicals, which accelerate aging and encourage the onset of degenerative diseases. Another incredible benefit of onions is their ability to strengthen the immune system. With a nutritional profile rich in vitamin C, it stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. And that's not all. Onions also have antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping the body defend itself against a wide range of microorganisms. For those looking to improve their heart health, onions are an indispensable ally. Studies show that regular consumption of onions can help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, as well as improving blood circulation. This is thanks to the presence of sulfur compounds, which promote the dilation of blood vessels and help prevent the formation of clots, thus reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. And the benefits don't stop there. Onions also contribute to intestinal health as they contain inulin, a type of fiber that feeds the beneficial bacteria of the intestinal microbiota. A healthy gut is the basis of a balanced body, as it plays a fundamental role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and even emotional balance due to its connection with the brain. Furthermore, for those looking to control their weight, onions are a great ally. With few calories and a high fiber content, it provides a feeling of satiety and helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it especially useful for people suffering from insulin resistance or diabetes. By incorporating onions into your daily diet in the right way, you'll be investing in a food that acts as a true natural remedy. With every bite, you'll be nourishing your body, strengthening your defenses, protecting your health, and, what's more, enjoying an ingredient that enriches the taste of any meal. However, as we've already mentioned, the secret lies in how you use the onion. In the next topic, we'll explore the ideal ways to consume it and the care you need to take to ensure that it always brings benefits to your health. After all, such a powerful food deserves to be treated with the respect it offers your body. The onion is one of the oldest and most versatile foods in human history. Its origins date back more than 5,000 years, and it was first cultivated in Central Asia, in the region of Iran and Pakistan. Since then, the onion has spread all over the world, playing essential roles in both food and medicine. In ancient Egypt, it was considered sacred and a symbol of eternity, while in the Middle Ages it was widely used to treat various diseases. But what makes onions so special? Its nutrient-rich composition. Onions are a source of vitamins, minerals, and bioactive compounds that promote numerous health benefits. Let's explore these benefits in detail. Vitamins and minerals present in onions. Vitamin C, essential for strengthening the immune system and fighting infections. B-complex vitamins, such as B6 and folic acid, which help the nervous system function and produce energy. Potassium, essential for balancing blood pressure and heart health. Calcium and phosphorus, important for bone and dental health. Sulfur compounds, act as powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents. Main health benefits of onions. Strengthens the immune system. Onions are rich in vitamin C and antioxidant compounds, which help protect the body against viral and bacterial infections by strengthening its natural defenses. Reduces the risk of heart disease. The sulfur compounds in onions help reduce levels of bad cholesterol, LDL, promote dilation of blood vessels, and improve circulation, reducing the risk of hypertension, heart attacks, and strokes. Helps control diabetes. Onions contain compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels and are beneficial for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Improves digestion and intestinal health. Being rich in fiber, especially inulin, onions feed the beneficial bacteria in the gut, contributing to a healthy microbiota and improving digestion. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant action. Flavonoids such as quercetin reduce inflammation in the body, help prevent premature aging, and combat oxidative stress by reducing cell damage. Prevents cancer. Studies show that the bioactive compounds in onions, such as sulfur compounds and antioxidants, can inhibit the growth of cancer cells in different types of cancer, such as colon and stomach cancer. Improves bone health. The presence of calcium, phosphorus, and flavonoids helps to strengthen bones and prevent diseases, such as osteoporosis, especially in women after the menopause. Supports respiratory health. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties, onions can relieve symptoms of respiratory diseases such as colds, sinusitis, and bronchitis. Helps with weight loss. Low in calories and high in fiber, onions increase the feeling of satiety, helping to control appetite and facilitate weight loss. The onion is not just a culinary ingredient, but a superfood that can improve many aspects of your health. Since its discovery thousands of years ago, it continues to be revered in both gastronomy and medicine. In the next topic, we'll uncover the precautions you need to take to make the most of this food without putting your health at risk. Practical tips for including onions in your diet. Raw in salads. Raw onions retain their bioactive compounds, such as quercetin, in their most potent form. Slice it thinly and add it to green salads, tomatoes, and cucumbers. To soften the taste, soak it in water with lemon for a few minutes before eating. Sautéed as a base for hot dishes. Use onions sautéed in olive oil or vegetable oil as a base for soups, sauces, rice, and meat. The heat activates the onion's natural sugars, giving the food a sweet and delicious flavor. Caramelized onions. A healthy and tasty option to accompany lean meats or as a filling for wholemeal sandwiches. Use little fat to caramelize it, giving priority to olive oil or ghee butter. Homemade preserves. Prepare onion preserves in vinegar or olive oil with aromatic herbs. As well as being delicious, they are a great accompaniment to salads and main dishes. Expected results with regular onion consumption. In the first month, you will notice an improvement in digestion with a more regular bowel function. Those who suffer from constipation or a feeling of bloating may notice a big difference very quickly. In addition, the immune system will begin to strengthen, reducing episodes of colds and infections. 3 months. In this period, the cardiovascular impact will be more evident. You will see a reduction in bad cholesterol levels and an improvement in blood pressure. The skin will also become healthier, thanks to the antioxidant action that fights free radicals. 6 months or more. Prolonged onion intake can bring significant benefits to bone health, preventing problems such as osteoporosis. In addition, energy levels will increase, as the body will be more balanced and protected against chronic inflammation. Those who suffer from respiratory diseases may also notice a reduction in symptoms and flare-ups. Over the years, with continuous and balanced consumption, onions will help prevent serious illnesses such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even certain types of cancer. Longevity will benefit, with a body that is more resistant to premature aging and degenerative diseases. Important precautions. Despite all the benefits, it is important to remember that onions should be consumed in a balanced way. Those who suffer from stomach problems, such as gastritis or reflux, may need to reduce raw consumption and prioritize lighter forms, such as sautéed or roasted.